Meanwhile, Excelsior High are once again champions of the ISA First Global Urban Area T20 cricket competition after beating Campion College by 125 runs in the final played at the Melbourne Oval on Saturday. Batting first, Excelsior piled up 194 for 6 on the back of Giovanni Gray's 57 and DeMarcus Scott 42. Xavier Jones also chipped in with 37 as Matthew Lloyd picked up 2 for 52, while Antoine Campbell had 2 for 33. In their run chase, Campion College were blown away for 69 in 17.4 overs. Ricardo Clark bagged 4 for 10 for Excelsior, while Scott returned to take 2 for 11 and Javain Williams 2 for 12. Lloyd 15 and Campbell 10 were the only batters to reach double figures.
We've been doing good overall from season, just unfortunate that the previous competition we got knocked out at the semi-final round. So we were confident in the team that we would be able to bounce back and to deliver and to retain our title. And as you can see, that's what we did.
Well, it was looking 200 plus, but we have a slight collapse in the middle and set us back, but still get a good enough total.
Meanwhile, Grace Shield champions St. Jago High took third place after beating Jamaica College by 7 wickets in the earlier encounter. JC First made a competitive 155 for 9 thanks to Andrew Lloyd, who made 57, and Josiah Neal 52. Wayne Plummer was the main wicket taker for St. Jago with a 3 for 26, and he got support from Rajiv Bacchus 2 for 18. St. Jago, in reply, got the victory at 158 for 3. Former Jamaica College student Danza Hyatt Jr. returned to hurt the Dark Blues with 72 not out, while Samuel Berger made an unbeaten 62.